Take a look outside. This is how we're starting off your Friday morning. A happy Friday to you. 4:50 right now. Taking a look at your conditions. Temperatures are mostly in the mid-50s. We have still seen a few raindrops coming down in downtown San Diego. That was just between the last hour or so. Wet roads out there as you start off your morning commute. 55 degrees in Oceanside. Still a bit wet in some parts of the North County as well, as total accumulations over the last 6 and 12 hours have come in the few 100ths of an inch. Again, these are very, very light accumulations, but enough to cause wet roads out there, and probably going to need that windshield wiper if you're downtown throughout the morning right now. 54 in Poway, 56 in Chula Vista. Not many spots on the map aren't seeing cloud cover, so cloud cover is still pretty abundant as we kick off your Friday morning. Temperatures are roughly in line with where we were yesterday. We are at the same temperature in Del Mar, 2 degrees warmer in El Cajon, 2 degrees warmer in Alpine, and plenty warmer, about 7 degrees warmer in Borrego Springs, for example. Take a look at the next 12 hours or so. You can see how as we head toward the noon hour, your lunch hour temperatures are going to make their way into the low and mid 60s, probably capping out at about 63 degrees. By that evening commute, you can see those temperatures are going to start to decline once again. Winds out of the west staying in the low single digits for the most part. And this is that setup overhead. Satellite radar has continued to push plenty of those clouds farther inland. This onshore flow is mostly responsible, and then along with that, that low pressure system nearby that's continuing to move off to the east is still bringing a few residual showers. But in general, for the weekend, we're going to continue to pick up on this onshore flow, but that ridge of high pressure is going to build with us. And what that'll do is help keep our afternoons, at least, very clear, dry, warmer, though the morning hours are still going to include a fair amount of that marine layer. Here are your highs for today, mostly in line with where we were yesterday. We've got a little bit cooler temperatures along the coast, warming up as you move farther inland. We're starting to kind of regain that momentum that we had to start off the week. 60 this afternoon in Carlsbad, 66 in Poway, and 66 in Escondido. Borrego Springs, your desert's making it to a high of 88 degrees yet again, so it is warm out there if you're making travel plans for the weekend. Notice that as we head toward Monday of next week, that is the next major weather system to keep an eye on. Accumulations will likely come to about a quarter of an inch up to half an inch. So that's going to be a pretty wet one on Monday. But for the weekend, looking really nice out there. Those temperatures do warm up, and then we see another warm up come after that cool down on Monday, and plenty of sunshine from about Tuesday through Friday. Netta and Eric, back to you.